name's Ivana Shah. I'm in 3rd grade and I go to Seaside Elementary in the Torrance Unified School District. And this year I invented a smart flush. A flush that won't startle you, but will save you water. So, to prevent the spread of germs, scientists invented a touchless flush. This was a great idea to prevent the spread of germs, but it caused another problem. Water wastage. So have you ever noticed this? And I'm sure you have. You visit a public restroom and you sit down thinking your pleasant thoughts in the toilet, like right here. This dude is sitting on the toilet and then it moves a little, and then an unnecessary flush occurs. A terrible one. Poor you. It annoys us and wastes a lot of water. So much water, according to a study published in Business Insider, automatic toilets demand 54% more water than manual toilets, which is a lot of water. Earth is the only home we have. At least until we go to Mars. And I'm passionate about saving our natural resources like water. That's why I decided to solve this problem. So, to invent my smart flush, I had to learn how touchless toilets work. This is a regular touchless toilet. And this is the sensor. And this is the range of the sensor. So the sensor sends out an infrared light across the stall, waiting for something to bounce back off of. In other words, the user. And you sit on, and when something bounces back off, that means you. Well, the sensor knows, okay, someone's using the toilet. Do not flush. And once the light starts bouncing back, once the light stops bouncing back, well, then it knows, okay, the user's done, time to flush. So they flush an unnecessary flush when you're still just itching and you're still doing your business. That's an unnecessary flush, and that can cause water wastage. So these are the qualities of a touchless toilet. So it's a front-facing sensor, like right here, and its target area is the forward. This is mine. Dun, 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 dun. So, the sensor's facing upward, so it can't really catch anything. So once you're done, all you have to do is wave your hand and it'll flush. So, I reached out to several architects several experts, for feedback. Brian Cravens, a senior architect, gave me feedback as brilliant idea, a smart solution to a complex problem. His concern was, what if people forget to flush the toilet? So I fixed that problem by adding proper signage to the floor and walls. I made sure that the floor signage faced the user, so that once the user's done, all they have to do is read it and they can't forget. Ashwin Tucker, a real estate developer, said, this is amazing. His concern was, what if people place their bags, food, goods, etc. on the sensor and end up damaging it? I fixed that problem by adding the sensor to the walls and pipes, and tilting it at a slight angle so people aren't able to put their stuff in it. I also contacted Steve Jewett, an equipment planner, and his concern was, what if people aren't able to reach the sensor, especially children? So I fixed that problem, as you know, by tilting it a slight angle so it's easier to reach. I also asked my mom, and she said, what if what will the toilet do if it flushes the same amount of water for number 1 and number 2? I said, I added a cool feature to fix that problem. If you wave your hand once, then you've done number 1. If you wave your hand twice, then you've done number 2. My invention can be used in public toilets and schools because, us kids are glamorous at listening. very good, at listening. I had a really amazing time inventing Smart Flush, but I'm not done yet. So if you have any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. Scientist Shaw zooming out. Smart Flush means bye-bye water bill. Ta-ta, and thank you!